Hi, I'm Mango. I'm gonna be on EZ Cantonese this week. Make sure you just skip straight to my part. You don't have to watch the lesson. Okay? Just skip to my part. Yeah, that's right.
Hey, what are you doing telling people to just skip straight to your part? Don't listen to them, okay? Just watch the whole thing. Watch the full lesson. Bad cat. Bad cat. Ow! Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's time for another episode of EZ Cantonese. Today, I thought it'd be a good idea to teach you Cantonese directions. It'll be very helpful if you're ever traveling in Hong Kong. You'd know the very basics, or if for some reason somebody asked you for directions, maybe perhaps you can direct them to the right direction. Before I start, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember that there's going to be a part 2 next week. Okay, so basically I'm just going to go in the direction of up, down, left, right in your point of view, and forward and back, okay? So up is sung, ha is down, left from your point of view is jaw, right is yao, forward is qin, back is hao. Okay, so I'm going to say that all again in that order. Sung, ha, jaw, yao, qin, hao. Alright, I'm going to say it once again in that order. Sung, ha, jaw, yao, qin, hao. So when I was a kid, somebody came up with a song that would be very helpful to learn these directions. So basically they'll say what I've previously said 2 times, okay? So it goes a little something like this. Sung, sung, ha, ha, jaw, jaw, yao, yao, qin, qin, hao, hao. Alright, haven't done this in a while, but let's practice. Sung, sung, ha, ha, jaw, jaw, yao, yao, qin, qin, hao, hao. Alright, here we go. Sung, sung, ha, ha, jaw, jaw, yao, yao, qin, qin, hao, hao. Start. Here we go, here we go. Oh, that's not the right code. Sung, sung, ha, ha, jaw, jaw, yao, yao, qin, qin, hao, hao. Alright, hope you enjoyed this week's EZ Cantonese. If you want to learn more about directions in Cantonese, make sure you check out next week's episode for part 2. Make sure you give this video a like, and I will see you next week. Bye.